Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can fix Roblox freezing on your laptop or PC. So at first go to the search button and then whatever graphics card you're using. Suppose I'm using NVIDIA GeForce, so I'll just tap on open and then it's going to take some time to load, and then just tap on drivers and then click on check for updates, and you see that this new version is here. So just click on download and the new version will be downloaded. If this still doesn't fix your problem, then just go to search button and then search for Roblox player and then go to open file location. After that, tap on open file location in Roblox player one more time, and then the Roblox application should pop up. All you need to do is just right click on it and then go to properties. From there, go to compatibility and then click on run this program compatibility mode for, and then make sure you select it to Windows 8 and then turn off or on disable full screen optimization. Make sure to tick on that, and there you go. This is how you can stop your Roblox freezing on your laptop or PC. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.